Hey, what's up everybody? It's Preston with PG Custom Woodworks. Today I'm going to be finishing off a room that I made for my dog, building an awesome little barn door style sliding door. Let's go. Alright, so the first step is going to be ripping down all my parts on the table saw. The overall dimension of the door is going to be 19 inches wide by 40 inches tall. It's going to be a sliding barn door style. It's going to fit perfectly over the opening that I have into my dog room. I really wish I would have got a video of how I made the dog room underneath some stairs. I found some dead space under my stairs. It turned out really good. I'll show you guys videos and pictures of that here in a little bit. But first step, like I said, is rip all my components down, and then we'll go ahead and get it all put together. Alright, so now that we got the width cut of all of our parts, now we need to cut the length. You got two rails and two styles that make up a door. I made this miter saw station not too long ago, and again, one of those things I should have got videos of. A lot of you guys are asking about it, but got a nice little sliding T-track here that I can make all my cuts very repeatable and very efficiently. So I'm going to cut everything down to length, and then we'll go into the next step. Alright, so once I have everything cut down to width and the length, now I need to lay out my lines. I have four half-inch diameter bar stock that I'm using to go here. So your rails and styles are going to match up here, and I have the bars going here just so the dog can see out. So now what I've done is I've just kind of laid everything out. Now I need to find the width, mark that, and then I'll use a drill press to go ahead and get my hole started. Alright, so I have a half-inch Forstner bit chucked up in the drill press. I'm going to drill all four holes. I'm only going about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches deep. I like it to sit in the wood a little bit just to kind of keep it stable, but I don't really need to go too crazy with it. I can always cut down the bars if I need to, but right now I'm going to go about 1.5 inches, start there, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is go ahead and bring it over to your bench. I'm going to drill some pocket holes. That's basically how I'm going to secure everything. This is just a little sliding door for a dog room, so it's not going to get a whole lot of use. So it doesn't have to be super beefy, but that's how I chose to attach mine. You can really do it one of many ways, but honestly this is going to be the quickest and easiest for what I'm doing. So go ahead and pop this in the Craig pocket hole jig, get some holes, and we'll get it all put together. Alright, so you can kind of see how this is going to come together. I'm going to put my rods in here. Go ahead and thread them into the top as well. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to line up your the ends here and get everything kind of screwed together, flip it over, and we'll go ahead and start finishing it. Alright, so once you got everything screwed together, this is kind of how it's going to look. You can kind of see what we're going for here. Now I just have to kind of finish sand some of the areas. Again, this was a reclaimed board that I used from a previous project, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a sand, go ahead and give it some more stain, and yeah, it should be pretty close to being finished. Alright, so off camera I went ahead and put a coat of stain on everything. For those eagle-eyed viewers of you probably at home noticed, I made a little mistake. I went ahead and put everything together before I actually stained the inside of here. It wasn't a big deal, it was really easy to get in there, but probably would have been a lot easier to have stained it before I put everything together. But again, it really wasn't a big deal, so just make sure when you're doing something like this, you think about all of your order of operations. But last few things I need to do, I bought this little roller kit. It's going to go at the top to help the actual door slide on the rail that I've already installed inside the house. I'll go ahead and get that measured up, put on, and we'll go ahead and hang the door. Almost there. Alright, so I went ahead and brought the door inside. I got it mounted on the rail, and check out that action. That is smooth. I finished off this room pretty well. I'll show you guys some pictures of it completed. But again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure and leave them in the section below. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.